Did the universe start with a bang? And if it did, how do we know? We have 4 key observations. The first, and by far, at least to me, the most overwhelmingly convincing observation that we have is that the universe is expanding. When we look back into the distant universe and see galaxies how they were billions and billions of years ago, we notice that those older galaxies are moving away from each other slower than our local galaxies are today. And this is because space and time in the universe is expanding on very large scales. And in fact, it is not just expanding, it is accelerating. When you track back this expansion rate over time, you get that the universe must have been very small at the very beginning. 2 is the cosmic microwave background radiation, better known as the oldest light in the universe. These are the first photons that were able to decouple from atoms about 380,000 years after the Big Bang. We can use how much the light has stretched over time to figure out when it must have been emitted. 3 is the abundance of the lightest elements in the universe. In a very old universe, we would expect to see significantly less hydrogen and helium than we do today. We can use this to estimate the age of the universe. And 4 is the oldest known stars. These are stars which are 12 billion plus years old. In a much older universe, we would expect to see much older stars, as there are some that we think can live up to 1 trillion years. These are called M-dwarfs. All of this evidence combines together to support the fact that the universe most likely began around 13.8 billion years ago, and it has expanded in size quite significantly since that time. For what actually caused the Big Bang, we have absolutely no idea.